Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack.
Honk, 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 honk.
Quack, quackity quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Honk, honk, honk. Honk, 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 honk.
Honk, honk, honk. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Honk, honk, honk. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Honk, 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 honk. Honk. Let me tell you a story. The story of a duck. Enter Honksome. Literally, of course. Ducks don't lay eggs, apparently. He grew up with loving parents and was a perfectly normal duck. Until one night. He was taken to a lab, forgetting his past life. A mutant. Honksome had fallen. Honk, not honk, stood in his place. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, 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 honk. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.